Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. Now you guys have understood what today's video is all about. Yeah guys, you are absolutely correct. In our day-to-day hectic lifestyle, we often neglect to take care of our feet. Just imagine the amount of hard work our legs and feet do, be it walking, jogging, the list goes on. So, our feet needs more care and attention than we tend to give them. So today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to a spa pedicure at home, and to do this I am using all natural ingredients which are easily available at home. So here is the list of all the required items which we need while doing pedicure. So we need pumice stone, warm water, nail file, nail cutter, cuticle cream, moisturizing cream, foot scrub, fresh and clean towel, cuticle pusher, salt, nail paint remover, and last item is optional. You can choose any nail paint of your choice. So guys, as I did not apply any nail paint on my nails before, so I don't have to remove anything. But if you require, then please remove the old nail paint with the help of the cotton and nail polish remover. So I skip the first step and directly moving to the next step, which is cut and file your nails. Clip the nails carefully using a nail cutter and be careful while clipping the edges. Now shape up the nails using a filler. Also smoothen the rough edges using the filler and try to file them in a single direction. The back and forth motion will weaken the nails. So now moving on to the next step, which is apply the cuticle cream. Cuticle cream softens the cuticles on your nails. So before you soak your feet into the warm water, apply some cuticle cream on the nails. Here I am using some cleanser cream on my feet. You can also apply a combination of olive oil and coconut oil instead of store-bought cuticle cream. Coconut oil softens the cuticles and prevents dryness. Olive oil also boosts healthy nails and cuticles by penetrating the skin and nails. After softening my cuticles with the help of the cream, I am using stainless cuticle pusher and holding it at a 45-degree angle to each nail. Gently push each cuticle using the flat or round side of the cuticle pusher. A cuticle pusher is a simple nail tool used to perform manicures and pedicures. It pushes the skin from your cuticles back and away from your nails to help your nails grow stronger. So guys, now it's time for next step, which is relax and soak your feet in the warm water tub. This is the best and most relaxing step of the pedicure. Now I'm taking some refreshing bath wash and also some salt. You can add vinegar also in this water. You can also add some baking soda and lemon, which is work great on the dead skin. Now soak your feet for 15 minutes in the warm water tub, and it is a nice way to relax after a long day. A foot soak soothes your muscles, hydrates your skin, and can relieve itches and pains due to standing for hours or walking in uncomfortable shoes. Also, salts have a relaxing effect on the tired and itching muscles of the feet. Now the next step is remove the dead skin. As I have already cleaned my cuticles with the help of the cuticle pusher, so now I'm going to clean dead skin from my heels with the help of the pumice stone. If you have cracked heels and hard skin on the heels, use a corn cutter to remove the stubborn dead skin, and then you can use a feet filler or a pumice stone to brush out the remaining dead skin cells on the soles and sides of the feet. Now dry your feet with the clean towel. So after the dead skin is removed, moving on to the next step, which is scrub and massage your feet. You can buy a foot scrub available in the local market or prepare your own foot scrub using natural ingredients. Here I have prepared one foot scrub at home, and to make this paste you need 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil or any essential oil which is optional, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix all the ingredients to form a fine paste with sugar. Now massage your ankles, heels, fingers and soles of the feet well using the scrub, and don't forget the skin in between the toes. Guys, this homemade scrub can be made with many combinations of natural ingredients. You can also use oatmeal powder, walnut shell powder, etc. according to your preference. The best part about the homemade scrub is that all the ingredients are easily available and will exfoliate your skin without any harsh chemicals. Now clean your feet in the same water tub. Now you can see the difference on my feet, guys, isn't it? Now last and most important step, which is moisturize your feet. You can use any of the moisturizer which is available at your home. Here I am using Nivea Soft Moisturizer. Guys, we need a moisturizer to moisturize our heels, soles and ankles, especially during winters. So this is the most important step. So guys, this step is optional. Once you are done with the moisturizing part, next apply a nice nail paint of your choice. Here I am using one red shade on my feet. So guys, now you are good to go. So guys, I hope you will love this video, and this video will be the most beneficial video to you. And if you guys like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do share this link with your friends and family. Please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Those are my IDs. And yeah, I will guys meet you again on my next YouTube video. Till then, keep smiling, keep loving me, and love you guys, and bye bye.